Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmena.com. In this video, I want to give you the 3 reasons for why you're getting 0 clicks on your ads. Now, specifically, I'm talking about Google and Microsoft ads. However, these reasons can also apply to Facebook ads and Instagram and any other advertising networks. I do assume that you are getting impressions. So if you're getting 0 impressions, guys, make sure to check that separate video out. I will link it in the description. And if you are getting clicks, but you're getting 0 sales, I have a separate video on that as well. So check that video out in the description as well. Before I do, guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos just like this to help you make money online. That said, let's get straight into it. So reason number 1 for why you're getting 0 clicks is if there's a discrepancy between your keywords and your ads. So let's suppose your keyword is how to lose weight, but your ad says buy new car now. Well, guess what? People that are searching for how to lose weight are not going to click on your ad that says how to buy a new car. Now, this is an extreme example. Of course, you guys probably don't do that. But to make a more realistic example, let's suppose you are promoting a weight loss product and you're promoting a weight loss supplement. And your keyword is weight loss supplement. But your ad says how to lose weight, how to lose belly fat, things like that. Even though it's okay, it's not specific enough. So people that are searching for weight loss supplement, you want to give them a weight loss supplement and you want to make that clear in the ad. You want to make it super relevant. This is one of the things that could also increase your quality score, which can ultimately make you pay less for every click. So if you guys want to see how I increase my quality score and pay much less for my clicks, take a look at that video. I will link it in the description as well. This is why, by the way, whenever you see me creating campaigns, you know that I like to separate my campaigns into different ad groups with relevant keywords in each ad group. And this is why. It's so that I can make targeted ads for each of these ad groups so I can increase my relevancy and increase the amount of clicks I can get. So let's move on to reason number 2 for why you're getting 0 clicks, and that is, well, let's face it, if your ad just sucks. So let's take a look at some examples. Take a look at this ad right over here. What is wrong with it? Do you see anything? Pause the video if you have to. Let's take a look at another ad. What about this one right over here? So yes, you got it. The ad doesn't look professional. It looks crappy. There are grammatical errors. Nothing is title cased. Some things don't make sense. So believe it or not, you guys may laugh at this, but I have seen ads that look like this. They look horrible. So make sure that you take the time to go over your ad. Maybe ask your friends to review it. Maybe go on websites like Grammarly or whatever it is that can help you fix the grammar. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. Try to title case your headlines and descriptions as well, because it just makes it look more professional, makes it look good. Now let's take a look at another example. What do you see is wrong with this ad? Nothing is wrong per se, but it could be better if you include a call to action, because what I found in my experience is if you don't tell people to do something, they don't. So including a call to action like watch now, get started now, sign up now, is going to increase the amount of clicks you're gonna get. So what I like to do is generally include a call to action in the second headline. So make sure to do that and you should see an increase in your clicks as well. Let's take a look at another example. What do you see could be done better with this ad? Take a moment if you have to. And yes, so this ad contains a lot of subjective claims, which anybody can do. Anybody can say, we are the best, we are number 1. Anybody can say that. So if you do have claims like this, either A, make sure you can back them up, or B, don't include them. Because guys, people can smell through the BS nowadays. So if you're lying about things like this, then the question is, what else are you lying about? So let's take a look at another example. What about this ad over here? Is there a way we can make it better and more clickable? Take a moment. And yes, you got it. So you want to include some numbers, some symbols, some special characters, anything like that, because it draws more attention to your ad. So again, guys, we are comparing our ads with others out there. So on the first page of Google or Microsoft or Bing, if you see a bunch of text ads, any ads with numbers are gonna just draw a little bit more attention. And that's what you want. That's all this is about, is getting attention and getting clicks. So if you can include numbers, the perfect example is how many users do you have? Add that, include the exact number of users, be specific. That would be awesome. Maybe use special characters like a dollar sign, maybe a number sign, things like that. It will just draw more attention, which is going to be awesome and good for you. Now let's take a look at another example. Which of these two ads do you think is more believable? Is it this one or this one? Take a moment. And that's right. The second one is generally more believable because it is very specific. So in your ads, make sure to follow the specificity principle. Be as specific as you possibly can. Instead of saying 1,000, say 1,112 if that is your actual number. Don't lie, but try to be as specific as possible because it gets attention. Again, if you are being compared against other ads, right, that's the point. We want to make sure ours stands out. So be as specific as you can. Now, another way you can make your ad stand out is simply by making it unique. So take a look around. If you don't have any ideas, go on Google, go on Bing, and just look up some ads. Try to get some inspiration, some ideas, make your ads unique because you are competing against other ads, right? So you want to make your ads stand out. Make something different. Try to get somebody's attention. So get some ideas and try to do that if you can. Now, of course, it's easier said than done, but if you can, try to think outside the box, try to come up with some crazy ideas that's gonna get clicks. Don't deviate away from the relevancy of your keyword and your landing page, still make it relevant, but try to think of something outside the box, and that should definitely get you more clicks as well. So these are all the ways in which you can make your ads stand out and in which you can get more clicks. Let's move on to the last reason for why you're getting 0 clicks, and that is having a low bid. Now, a low bid is also a reason for getting no impressions. But if you are getting impressions and you're still not getting clicks, a low bid could be a factor of that. So using Google as an example, let me just show you what I mean here. If you type in, for example, how to lose weight fast, let's take a look at some ads. So you see some of the biggest ads right here, but if we scroll down, there's nothing at the bottom. But if we go to the next page, if we scroll down again, you will see some ads here at the bottom. And guess what? These ads will get impressions, but who is going to click on them, right? You are programmed, guys. If you know anything about Google, you are programmed to know that anything at the top is the most relevant. When you type anything in Google or Bing or Yahoo, you know that anything at the top is probably the most relevant. So how many of you actually scroll down, go to the next page, scroll all the way down, and click on this very bottom ad? How many of you guys do that? Think about it. If you do click on ads, then it's probably at the very top of the page. It's probably something that's super, super obvious. Let's see if I can make those ads show up again. No, but you get the idea, right? So if your ads are all the way here at the bottom, that's not good. Not a lot of people are clicking on them, even though they see them. So one way you can bring your ad up to the top is by increasing the bid. That's one way. The second way is by increasing your quality score. And to increase your quality score, you can follow the things that I described in the previous points, where I mentioned keep everything relevant, your keywords to your ads to your landing page. So basically, do everything that I said in this video, and you should see your ads be at the top, whether it's via quality score or increasing your bid. Now, as an added bonus, there is one other thing you can do to help make your ads more visible, which isn't the reason for why you're not getting any clicks, but it can definitely help make your ads stand out, and that is using extensions. So if we go to the next page, okay, so I had to close out of incognito because I just didn't see any ads at all for anything for some reason. But these here are site-link extensions. Now, there are only 2 here, but you can see up to 6 site-link extensions. So you can see them actually go all the way up to here, taking up the space of 2 to 3 ads, which is huge because when you type something like this in, this is the first thing you're gonna see. And that is crazy, guys. That makes your ads so much more visible. There are other different extensions as well. Let's see if I could show you some of them in action. Over here, see, yeah, so here there are 4 site-link extensions, so they show up here. There are other extensions as well, like a number extension that can show up. There are call-out extensions, which basically increase your description. You have structured snippet extensions, which also increase your description, things like that. You have an address extension right here. You have a phone number extension right here. So these guys have a phone number and they don't even have to include a number anymore because the number just shows up as part of an extension. So all of these extensions really make your ads stand out and make it more likely that people are going to click. Now, I cover every single one of these extensions you can do and how to set them up in my training courses at ivanmana.com/all-courses. If you scroll down and look at the Google Ads and Microsoft Ads training courses, I guide you through step-by-step in those training courses how to set up extensions. This alone will not be the reason for why you're not getting any clicks, but it will definitely help make your ad stand out. Even if it's at the bottom, this ad definitely looks more appealing than something like this with no extensions. There's just so many more things you can click on here. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely take a look at my free guide at ivanmana.com, where I show you exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing and how you can potentially make money today. It's a free 55-page guide, guys, completely free. You can learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. And of course, if you want to learn more specifically how to make money online, I have a 9-hour comprehensive course at ivanmana.com/all-courses, which guides you through step-by-step. It's 9 hours worth of videos in how to make money online, as well as I have additional training where you can learn how to use advertising networks like Facebook ads, Google ads, Microsoft ads, and so on. And that is it for this video. I hope the 3 reasons for why you're getting 0 clicks and the bonus one were of value to you, and I will see you in the next video.